Hello everyone, welcome to my chemistry channel B.L.DASH, short and sweet in chemistry. Now I want to welcome the students of the class 11 science, and especially the topic is important IUPAC name of the organic hydrocarbon, that is class 11. Already I have explained the different type of rules for the nomenclature in previous video. You can refer my previous videos. Now here the part 8, here I want to explain IUPAC name, that is important IUPAC name alkane related. That means these are the very important IUPAC name for the different board examination point of view. Now here if you see part 8, that is alkyne related, first you see what is this one here, what functional group contains, that is triple bond. If it is triple bond, then which side you will count, from this side or from this side. That means here if you count from this side, then 1, 2, 3, after 3 there is a triple bond. If you count from this side, 1, 2, 3, after 3 there is a triple bond. That means you can count from either side, from left side also from right side, both are correct. Now 1, 2, 3, this is known as after 3 there is a triple bond, so H3 wine. Now here very simple, that is having 2 carbon, that is ethine having triple bond. Now here you can see what is the triple bond, where one after one triple bond, if you count from this side, that is not possible at all to naming, because near to this end, this is very important, after one there is a triple bond. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is the longest carbon chain, that is why after one there is triple bond. Pent 1 wine, pent 1 wine. And here 1, 2, 3, 4, in 4 position there is a methyl group, so it is 4 methyl pent 1 wine. See, this is very simple, having triple bond, no branch, nothing else, that is why it is propyne. Triple bond, 3 carbon, propyne. Then come to this one, again check where is the triple bond, from which side you will count. 1, 2, 3, 4. After 3 there is a triple bond, that is why 4, after 1, 2 there is a triple bond, so 2 wine, and that is the longest carbon chain, 4 methyl pent 2 wine, 4 methyl pent 2 wine. And here 1, 2, 3, in 4 position there are 2 methyl groups, so 4, 4 dimethyl pent 2 wine. Now you can see from this side again, 1 after 1 triple bond, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, in 5 there is a methyl group, that is why 4 methyl H1 wine. Again see, this is very simple, H3 wine, there is no branch, nothing else, this is ethine, and here one branch, that is a methyl group, a substitution group, and after 1 there is a triple bond, 1 wine, and here the simple propyne, and here after 1, 2 there is a triple bond, 2 wine, longest carbon chain pent, so pent 2 wine, and position 4 methyl pent 2 wine, and here it is 4, 4 dimethyl pent 2 wine, because after 2 there is a triple bond, and here after 1, 2, 3, 4, in 5th position there is a methyl group, so 4 methyl, and here H1 wine. Now I hope it is clear. Again we will proceed other important IUPAC name of alkyne related. Now you can observe these are the very important names of alkyne, and also we will proceed other important alkyne. You can see here this example, it is 5 methyl H wine. Why? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In 5th position there is a methyl group. That is why it should be 5-methyl, not 4-methyl. Sorry, before that I told in this example it is 4-methyl, but it should be 3, 4, 5. So it should be 5-methyl H1-wine. See, H 6 carbon, after 1 the triple bond, 1 wine. Now you see this is very simple. One side there is a triple bond, other side there is a double bond. This rule already I have explained in a nomenclature video. And now what happen, you can observe which side you will count first, wine or in. That means wine you will count. That means triple bond, which side near to triple bond, that you will count as 1. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And in 3 position there is a methyl group. So 3-methyl pent. This is pent. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pent. 4 in. After 4 there is a double bond. So it is 4 in. And after 1 there is a triple bond, wine. But according to alphabetical, in comes first, then wine. So what is the name? 3-methyl pent, 4 in, 1 wine. Again see, 3-methyl pent long chain, 4 in and 1 wine. And since it is in and wine, the alphabetically in comes first, so it is 4 in, 1 wine. Again come to see here, this is triple bond and that comes count from this side 1, 2, and see here 1 mean after 1 wine, 1 wine, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 mean but. In 3 positions there are 2 methyl group. So sorry, not 4 position, 3 position. 1, 2, 3. In 3 position there are 2 methyl group. So it is 3 dimethyl but, 4 long chain and but 1 wine. That means here 3 dimethyl, that means 4 but and 1 wine. And simple this is 1, 2 butane, because after 2 there is a triple bond and carbon chain consists of 4 carbon. So 2 butane. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 mean pentane, but where that position, that here 1, 2, after 2 there is a triple bond, that is why 2 pentane, 1 pentane, 1 butane, or you can write also but 1 wine, pent 1 wine, pent 1 wine. So you can write like this also. You can write like this also, but 1 wine, pent, sorry, not 1, 2. Similarly, pent 2 wine, and here pent 1 wine. Similarly here but 1 wine, or you can write like or here also or. That means you can understand 2 butane, or you can say but 2 wine, 2 pentane, or you can say pent 2 wine, pent 1 wine, but 1 wine. Actually these are the nowadays it is followed by but 2 wine, pent 1 wine, like this. So here you can observe this one, it should not be 4-methyl. Already I have explained the 4-methyl, sorry, it should be 5-methyl. 5-methyl hexane wine, and here since it is a triple and double bond, triple bond path, that is why 1, 2 will count, and here after 4 there is a double bond, and in wine first alphabetically should come as in. So the name is 3-methyl pent 4 in 1 wine, and simply here 3 dimethyl but 1 wine, and they are very simple. There is no substituent, nothing else, there is no complexity. And here it is but 2 wine, pent 2 wine, but pent 1 wine, and but1 wine. Like this you can remember. See, 4 carbon and it is 5 carbon. Always you check the number of carbon atoms. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 carbon, and here it is 4 carbon. 4 carbon means but, 5 carbon means pent, 6 carbon means hex. And you see where is the triple bond, from which side you will count, and what are these substances, how can you name it, all the things you will observe first, then you can name it and you can fill. It is very easy. Now I hope you can understand that IUPAC name, important IUPAC name of alkyne, and hope you will subscribe my channel B.L.DASH, short and sweet in chemistry, and also I believe you like and share my channel. Thanks for watching my video. Thanks again to all.